So what happens when your washer drain spout gets all over your floor and you just did laminate flooring? You get all in here. Yay! My Craftsman 2.4 defective. So now I get the enviable task of putting all my laminate floor back down. And I was just sanding my baseboards, trying to get those ready to paint today. That's probably not going to happen. So all this and all these are wet. It already flooded once, but now it's the second time. Great way to start the day. Have a better one than I am, because this is all work. Some of these pieces may have to get remade. You can see they're all wet. So some of them, if they'll dry out, I'm gonna have to remake all these. I'm gonna have another section over there. So yippee ki yay.